Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the dust bag on your DREAME X50 Ultra. To replace the dust bag on the charging dock, you will need to open this lid here. To do it, there's a little handle here at the bottom. You can just open it like that, pretty easy. And there's the dust bag. Now the dust bag is connected here at an angle, it is diagonal. And there's this little handle that you need to pull in order to take the dust bag out. I don't know why, but it didn't close itself. Typically dust bags close themselves automatically like that. And that's what I would expect, but it didn't happen. And then when you want to put a new one in, it's also going to most likely come in this state of being closed, but if not, it's still fine. You just need to slide it into this place at that angle. Slide it in, close it, and it should be good to go. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.